What's up, boys and girls? So today we are making a custom anti-roll bar. It's from a solid axle, but it will work really good on RS rear end. Nick is fixing it right now. Let me show you guys. So this is the sway bar pieces. So it's hard to understand right now, but when this will be done, you will see what I'm talking about. This is end links. It will basically keep the car on the back more solid, even though it's not solid rear end, but it will help really much to make it more solid. It will go on here, somewhere here, and go over there. It will make the car much better. We removed this one, he removed this one, and we're gonna put it back later on. What's up, baby? What's up, you're gonna be my YouTube now. Yes, sir. My homie from Iraq. Iraq boys. Iraq boys. And Nick is doing this one here. Cheeky Racing. Cheeky Racing right here. We got Cheeky Racing right here. That's the subframe pieces. So he will weld a bracket so that will stay in there. By the way, look at this. Look how tall it goes. So now what we're gonna do is watch how this works. Okay, is you install this piece right here, and then this piece goes inside here. Watch. And then we cut this piece right here somewhere, so it will be going like this. It goes this one. You see what I'm talking about?
That's how long it's gonna be.
Okay.
Serious. That's all.
Yeah? Oh, okay. It's gonna be super short. Alright, the second one is going in. Second one. And look at the first one, how it looks. Look at those welds. Yes, sir. Beautiful welds. And it's welded from the inside too, so it's gonna real strong. And he painted them too. Alright guys, so Nick welded inside over there, both sides. As I show you guys over there, he welded this piece right here. And the triangle. So now it works perfectly. And this thing is added on. Now all we gotta do is not all we gotta do, but it's gonna take some time. We have to sit inside the car and clock the piece. And how this anti-roll bar work is when you push one side, when basically the ground, it pushes this side up. This one, it pushes the arm up and twists the metal and picks the other side up. So it becomes like a solid rear axle, which is not true. It's not real axle, but it works much more stiffer. Close to solid axle, which is not solid axle, but it's gonna work real good on the street. Billy 240 with the yellow 240, he's on 1320 videos. He told me to get this one, and we're gonna test it soon. All right, Nick is installing my carbon fiber hood on my car. I gotta get the BMW badge. Because it's a BMW still, right? My old hood is so bad. Correct and everything. This will definitely make the car look so much cleaner and neater. And guys, the bar is all done. Now we have to clock it, and I'm gonna make a video when we're gonna test it. I'm gonna try to test it and see how it goes, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work so good because I never had any anti-roll bar before. I had one, I cut it apart, I took it out long time ago because somebody told me it's better not to have the rear one. So it was many years ago when I was young, and I cut it out. So now we have a nice anti-roll bar, not sway bar, because we used to have a sway bar before, and OEM, it was weak. Now we have a much stronger one that will actually work. All right, guys, you have a great day. Subscribe, press like, write a comment. I'll see you later.